So today we are going to be driving through Milliken Hills. This is one of the entrances or exits into Enugu State, and it's very popular because of the nature of the road. So if you want to know what Milliken Hills look like in 2022, join us on this ride, and I bet you are going to enjoy it.
Yeah, we are going to enjoy the ride. Yeah, we have already entered the road proper. As you can see, there was a barricade up there preventing trailers or trucks from using this road. So the road is mainly used by just smaller cars and bus, yes, to actually help preserve the road. Back then, far back at 2015, 2016, the road was very bad, and these slabs you are seeing by the side was not there. And as you know, it's like a dish, so it's a hill actually. So it's like a hill, rather, and these slabs were not there, so it was very scary for drivers to pass through this road, because any little mistake, as at that time, and the road was even bad, you just find yourself down the pit. So it was a very, very, very scary drive for a lot of people. Even now, some drivers are still scared of passing through Milliken Hills. But with this slab, it feels more comfortable. Even if anything should happen, the slab will bring the car back to the major road. But it's not a road you run so fast. You go at a very slow and steady pace, because the road is very curvy, so you can't even overtake. If a very slow vehicle is at the front, you have to maintain the pace of the vehicle. So Milliken Hills we are. As you can see, the road is very curvy, and you can see that the brakes light of every car is always coming on every time you see. So
I think driving through Milliken Hills also gives you a very, very nice feel, because trees are planted everywhere, very calm atmosphere. So it's also very relaxing, just being around this area.
Yeah, it is. I even feel there is a lot that can even be done with the hill. Yeah, they can actually create a park. The state government can actually create a park with the hill. There's a way they can just create something out of this place. Because if we should park the vehicle now and give you a view, just that it's not so good to park here. You would have seen a view from top. It's a beautiful sight from top that if the state government can announce it, it will be some very wonderful park for people to come and enjoy themselves. So that's just my own thinking, on my own suggestion, that something beautiful can be created out of this hill. So guys, if you are seeing this video and you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much. And if you are seeing this and you are yet to subscribe, please do well to click the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell, so you'll be the first to know when we upload a new video. We have a whole lot of video about the city of Enugu. You can check our video catalog for them. And we've also done some beautiful airport series. You can check them out from our video catalog. And do well to let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Do drop your sincere opinion in the comment section. We'll be more than glad to receive it. Do like the video, and as well also help us share. So we are coming out of Milliken Hills now.
What do you think about using this route in and out of Enugu? Because personally, you don't use it that much. So what are your reservations about it?
The route is okay to use. But I think the discouragement for most drivers, especially for private drivers, commercials use here because the major road is very bad, so they use here through Ngwo to enter Enugu. But for private drivers, they hardly do, because of this so much speed breakers they have in Ngwo, and the speed breakers are very high. So that is why most private drivers don't use Milliken Hills. Commercials do a lot of commercial drivers do use Milliken Hills to come into Enugu. So, but the road is good apart from the speed breaker. The speed breaker is much and it's very high. So yeah, for low vehicles, you just hear them hitting the slab by the time, all the time. So that's just the only reservation. So we are out of Milliken Hills. So So guys, thank you very much for joining us on this ride through Milliken Hills. It was just about 5 minutes drive through Milliken Hills, though we were not fast because the vehicles at my front were also pretty slow. So thank you very much. If you enjoyed this video, please do let us know in the comment section by dropping your sincere comments, and also like this video. Thank you very much guys. We'll catch you guys in our next video.
Bye.